Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone, especially to our Sir Shafiq. Today, me and my group will represent about compound interest and ANNUITY. Before we represent about the topic, I will introduce our group. So the first is Nur Farisa binti Syamsul Kamal. Second is Muhammad Akil bin Muhammad Isri. Third is Nur Zulaika binti Syahrul Nizam. And lastly is me, Muhammad Izrazi bin Abdul Muttalib.
For question 1, Puan Alia wished to invest 15,000 in a fixed deposit account for 5 years. She has 3 options, Bank A, Bank B and Bank C. For interest rate, Bank A is 4.5% compounded semi-annually. For Bank B, 4.2% compounded quarterly. And for Bank C, 5% compounded annually. So, which should Bank Puan Alia choose? If Puan Alia choose Bank, this is for Bank A. Principal 15,000. Terms 5 years. K rate 0.045. M monthly installment. 2. I interest. And N monthly number of interest period we need to calculate. So if you want to calculate the I using this formula, I equal K divide M, then you will get I 0.0225. If you want to calculate N using this formula, N equal M times T, then you will get N10. If you want to calculate future value using this future value formula, then you will get S 18,738.5 cents. Then calculate interest using this formula, then you will get I 3,738.5 cents. For Bank B, principal have 15,000, terms 5 years, K rate 0.042, M monthly installment 4, I interest, and N number of interest period we need to calculate same like Bank A. How to calculate I and M, how to calculate I and N, same like Bank B using this formula, then you will get the answer. So for the future value Bank B, we get 18,408.92 cents. And for Bank B, we get 3,489.32 cents. 92 cents.
We continue with Bank C. For principal, we got 15,000 ringgit, terms 5 year, rate 0.05, monthly payment 1. First, we need to find interest rate and number of payment rate. For I, we use formula I equal to K divide M. So I, we got 0.05. Next, for N, we use formula N equal to bracket M times T. And we got 5. To find S, we use formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. The amount of S is RM 19,144 ringgit 22 cents. Next, for I, we use formula I equal to S minus P. For I, we got 4,144 ringgit 22 cents. So for question 1, Puan Azizah need to choose Bank C because the amount of interest earned at Bank C is more valuable compared to Bank A and also Bank B. Moreover, Puan Azizah will get more revenue because the amount after Puan Azizah invests for 5 years will be as much as 19,144 ringgit 22 cents.
Okay, next question 2 is Mr. Dan needs to buy a car for his wife. He intends to obtain a loan from a bank with a reasonable monthly payment. He wants to assist in determining which bank will provide him with the best financial support, and he needs a reason. So given the two banks, Bank D and Bank E. Alright, after paying for 85 months, Mr. Dan decided to pay off the loan from a selected bank. What will be the total amount paid to discharge the loan? Alright, let's discuss.
Bank D offer. Present value is 90,000. Rate 0.02. monthly 12, term 8, I, we need to find it, M, we need to find it, and R, we need to find it. So, formula for I is K divided by M. So, we get 31 over 6,000. And the formula for present value for A equal by, and R is, we get 1,191.51. So the amount that Mr. J already pay is 1,191.51 cents multiplied with 85. We get 1,278 ringgit and 55 cents. So to find the new N is 69 minus with 85, we get 11. So D is the amount that Mr. J has to pay after 85 months is 12,709 ringgit and 24 cents. So the total that for bank D is 1,000 and 1,270 ringgit point 35 cents plus 1,200 709.24 cents. We get 1,100 and 3,987.59 cents.
Next is Bank E. Bank E offer the principal 90,000 and K 0.057, and the monthly installment is 12 and the terms is 9. And then we want to find the I is, we need to use the formula I K over M. And then we got the I is 19 over 4,000. And then we want to find the number of period is M times T, and then we got the N number of period about 108. And then we want to find the monthly payment. We use the present value formula. We key in the info, and then we got the monthly payment about RM 1,067.21 cents. Next, we want to know how much that Mr. Dan already paid. Mr. Dan said that he already paid about 85 months. So we need to times 85. So we got that Mr. Dan already paid about RM 90,712 and 85 cents. So we want to know how much left that Mr. Dan need to pay. We need to find the new N. How do we need to find the new N? We need to take the old N. We need to minus the 85. So we got the new number of period about 23. So again, we want to find a present value. We need to use the same formula again, and then we key in the info, and then we got the amount that Mr. Dan need to pay after 85 months. So the amount is this, and then we want to calculate how much the total for car in Bank E is. We just plus the amount that Mr. Dan already paid, and then the amount that Mr. Dan needs to pay. So the total for Bank E is 113,913 ringgit point 28 cents. Next result after calculation, we can see that Mr. Dan needs to choose Bank E because the monthly payment amount for the monthly payment at Bank E is lower than Bank D. Bank E charged a monthly payment of 1,067.21 cents, while Bank D charged a monthly payment of 1,191.51 cents. So this shows that Bank E is more reasonable to pay because it is more cheaper. After that, the total amount in Bank E is more cheaper than Bank D, but the time that Mr. Dan need to make a loan is longer, but it is more reasonable, as Mr. Dan said that he only want a reasonable monthly payment. That's all from us. Thank you.